Welcome to our family of online platform Geometry Zone, where every line has a logic, every angle tells a story. Open your mind, sharpen your focus, because here learning geometry feels like magic. Today you learn how we draw an angle 30 degree without protractor within short time easily. First of all, we draw a line segment A, B, which is a baseline. Now we consider and with any radius we draw an arc, and without changing the radius we draw another arc from the point of intersection of this arc with the baseline. Let the point of intersection of the second arc with the first arc as C, and let the previous point of intersection of the baseline with the first arc is X. Now we join the line 2 point A and C and take an arrow in the direction of AC. Similarly, take an arrow in the direction of AB and take another point P, and here another point is Q. Therefore, finally, we get an angle QAP, whose measure will be 60 degree. And already I discussed in previous classes how can draw an angle 60 degree using pencil compass, ruler and pencil. Now in the second step we bisect the angle PAQ using the compass. First of all, we take an radius more than half of the arc XC. We draw two arcs from the point X and the second arc from the point C. They are intersect at a point. Let this point is R. Now we join these 2 points A with R and take an arrow in the direction of AR. Let another point S. Therefore, we get an angle bisector of the angle QAB, that is AS, which bisect the given angle QAB, and we get the two parts such as angle BAS and angle QAS, whose measurement are equal. Therefore, they are 30 degree. Finally, we verify the measurement of angle PAS is 30 degree. PAS equal to 30 degree. Similarly, if we measure QAS, we will get QAS equal to 30 degree. In this way, we easily draw an angle 30 degree using compass, pencil and ruler.